Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sagim, and we have some huge news with the iOS 11.3.1 jailbreak. And if you guys don't remember, yesterday I made a video on this saying that Coolstar was probably going to update his Electra jailbreak for iOS 11.1.2 and below to iOS 11.3.1. But today he actually tweeted these things, and I'll go ahead and run through them for you. He said a couple hours ago, it may be possible to support the Apple A10 and higher on 11.3.1 with Electra, but I do not have any devices that are A10 and higher. If I could get a device for testing. So basically he needs a device with an Apple A10 chip or an Apple A11 chip, and he went ahead and on his website he posted a donation portal for iOS 11.3.1 so we can get an iPhone 10 to test it on. So as of this point, he's raised $711, and this just goes to show how great the jailbreak community is. They'll pretty much do anything for what they want. So this is officially confirmed. The jailbreak is going to come out once he reaches this amount, and it probably would take a couple weeks. Maybe if he works really hard, it could be a couple of days, but I honestly don't see that happening. But anyway, after he posted that, he went on Twitter and said, well, as soon as I put on the donation portal up on Electra's website, a lot of people are donating. He wasn't expecting that, so like I said earlier, it shows that a lot of people care. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. But I'm extremely excited, and I hope you guys are too. If you want some videos on how to prepare your device for a jailbreak, I'd be glad to upload some. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.